Let's get access to WordPress to start building your website. Close your extra tabs and return to Cloudways. Navigate to the Access Details section of your WordPress application management page. Going forward, you can access your website by going to your domain, followed by /wp-admin. You'll use the username and password provided by Cloudways. Copy the password from the Admin Panel section, then click on the link to your admin panel or type it in your browser. A WordPress login screen will appear. Enter your email and paste in your password, then click Login. I recommend saving these credentials in a password manager. When it loads, you'll be taken to your WordPress Admin Panel dashboard. Welcome to WordPress. To start, we'll dismiss this welcome banner. We'll also clean up this dashboard by clicking Screen Options at the top and then unchecking all these boxes. You can always add back panels that you want to see later. Next, let's deactivate and delete any unnecessary pre-installed plugins. On the left side, click Plugins. A WordPress plugin is kind of like a smartphone app. It adds additional functionality to your website like an app does with your phone. Depending on when you watch this video, you might have different plugins pre-installed, and it's nice to start with a blank slate and add your plugins when you actually need them. To deactivate all default plugins, click the checkbox at the top left of the plugin list. Then click the Bulk Actions dropdown and select Deactivate, then click Apply. Now, with all the plugins deactivated, click the checkbox at the top left again, then click the Bulk Actions dropdown and select Delete. Then click Apply. Confirm the deletion when prompted.